Okay, we are on to quiz number 12, module 3.2, functional sentences. There's only 5 questions, so I'll go ahead and read each question aloud and each of the possible answers before giving you the correct answer. But if you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's get started. Number 1, what type of sentence is the following? Hai una casa molto grande. Choose only one best answer. A, declarative, B, interrogative, or C, exclamatory. Okay, the correct answer was A. A declarative sentence, or frase dichiarativa, is simply a statement that ends with a period. These are what you'll use most of the time. They can be very short or very long, depending on how many clauses they contain. Number 2, what type of sentence is the following? Hai una casa molto grande? Choose only one best answer. A, declarative, B, interrogative, or C, exclamatory. Okay, so in this case, it was interrogative. There are several ways to ask a question, or fare una domanda in Italian. Remember, in English, we must change the order of the subject and verb when asking a question, unless there's a helping verb. But this is generally not necessary to do in Italian. Number 3, what type of sentence is the following? Che bello. Choose only one best answer. A, declarative, B, interrogative, or C, exclamatory. All right, so this one was exclamatory. Exclamations or interjections, gli interiezioni, are a functional type of sentence that convey excitement and usually end with an exclamation mark. They're often considered an essential element of Italian grammar and can even be just a single word. Number 4, how would you ask, where are you from? Choose only one best answer. A, dove sei di? B, di sei dove? Or C, di dove sei? Okay, so the correct answer is di dove sei, literally, of where are you? And that's the correct way to ask, where are you from? Because interrogative prepositions, a, da, con, di, per, etc., go at the beginning of a question in Italian. Remember, di, not da, is used when asking, where are you from in Italian? And number 5, which interjections might you use after watching an Andrea Bocelli concert that you enjoyed immensely? Choose all answers that apply. A, bravissimo. B, che schifo. C, che bellissimo. D, che cavolo. E, che fantastico. Remember, choose all answers that apply. Okay, so the correct answers were A, C, and E. So just to let you know what these were, bravissimo means well done. Che schifo means that sucks or how disgusting. Che bellissimo means how wonderful or how beautiful. Che cavolo means what garbage or literally what cabbage. And che fantastico means how fantastic. All right, so how did you do? If there's any that you missed or you want to go back and retake the quiz, just go back and rewatch the video. Otherwise, I'm just going to scroll through the correct answers here. And if there's any that you want to reread, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, great job.